Welcome back to Ready to Rock. Now that the drywallers have come in, we're now going to start cutting some holes and putting some speakers in. So obviously the most important thing again is make sure you check with your building inspectors to make sure there is a requirement for a permit or not. Also, we're going to be a little safe when we put these things on and put safety gear on like glasses and dust masks when we're cutting the drywall. And the last thing is we're going to just take a look first when we cut a small hole, and we're going to see if there's any wiring in behind that's not properly tied up so we don't nick or cut the wires. Okay, let's get started. Now the cable has been run and the drywall has been installed. So we know the exact spot where we want the speaker to go. Let's take the template out, fold it into quarters so we know where the center of the template will be, and then mark it with a pencil. Before you cut the holes, make sure that not only the speakers will fit in the walls where you want, but will look symmetrical, like with a piece of art or on either side of a flat panel TV. Glasses on, mask on, let's go. Cut a small hole just to make sure that the speaker cable inside the wall won't get damaged when you cut the real hole. What a beautiful hole. Now we'll find the speaker wire and we'll pull it out. Before we go further, let's look at the wiring color codes we printed from the wiring plan tab at readytorock.ca, or on the instruction manual it comes with the volume control. Now because there are 4 wires in the cable, we need 2 wires. This is for the right speaker and the other 2 for the left speaker. Gently cut the outside casing and pull out some of the red and black wires for the first speaker. That's generally the right one. Using black electrician's tape, cover up the cut in the cable and make a harness. If you don't have any insulation in the walls or ceiling, place a 16 by 16 square into the opening. This will help with the sound. Skin the end of the red and black wire about 3/8 of an inch and connect the red wire to the red terminal and the black wire to the black terminal on the right speaker. If you want to paint the speakers, do that before you mount them. In this case, we're not going to bother painting them. Let's double check that the wires are correctly connected and the insulation is in the right spot. Make sure that the tabs in the speaker are in. Place the speaker in the hole and tighten the Phillips screws. It'll take a while to move the mounting tabs in. You know when the tabs are tight, but they don't have to be super tight. They'll become snug. On the VC5A Ready to Rock volume control, there are 2 block terminals, one marked amp and one marked speakers. Trim back all the 8 wires on the 2 cables, about 3/8 of an inch. Connect the speaker wires to the speaker block like this. R plus to the red wire, R minus to the black wire, L plus to the white wire, and L minus to the green wire. Same code goes for the amp block. Insert the skinned wires into the holes in the block and gently tighten the small flat screw heads. Once all the wires are in the correct spots, gently push the extra cable into the hole in the wall and insert the volume control into the mud ring or the caddy clip. Screw in the VC5A volume control with the number 6 screws provided and mount the Decora wall plate and you're done. Just so you can see what inside the wall looks like when you're done, we have removed the backing of the wall and the insulation. See how the speaker mounting tabs have swung out and the volume control fits into the wall? You're one step closer. For information for the next step, check out readytorock.ca and choose the video tab to see how to connect the speakers to the stereo. Thanks for getting ready to rock.